Pickup time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Take a look at this one, 1970 Ford F100 Ranger. This particular truck, as you can see, paint pretty well patinaed on it. One nice thing about that is, hasn't been painted over. What you see is what you get. I'm going to point out some of the things in this truck. Looks like a pretty solid old truck. North Dakota is where it was previously titled. Looks like it's spent a lot of its life there, judging by the cab corners and the bottoms of the doors and what have you. And like I said, I'm going to get into that in just a little bit. Underneath the hood, 360. So it's a Y code V8 underneath there. Would be the correct engine this would have came with in 1970. 3-speed manual, column shift transmission. Original miles per previous owner, it was in the mid 40 range. Now if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside of this truck, check out the engine bay, the interior still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video and the description is going to take you right there. And of course you can call us 507-386-1726. Like I said, paint pretty much patinaed in this. It looks like along the line the hood may have been repainted somewhere, but you can see this is a true patina. It's not the fake painted on stuff that you see on some of these street rods and hot rod trucks. The one thing you don't see is really a lot of rust through or anything like that. I'm going to get around here to the passenger side and let's go around it this way. One thing on the mirror, gentleman that had it before did add like a power mirror, and there's a couple switches underneath the dash, but this one wanted to represent the way it is. Doesn't need a little TLC in that mirror. Let's get down to the important stuff. Look above these wheel wells. And again, I wouldn't be surprised if a lot of this is original paint, because this is a Norway green truck. It would be an N paint code. So a lot of this may be original paint. Now, take a look at these cab corners. You can tell that's a North Dakota truck. Definitely not Minnesota. Get into the interior in a little bit here too. Need some TLC over there on the driver's side, but there's going to be some things that come with this truck I have in the bed to show you. Above these rear wheel wells and the box sides. Of course, this would be a style side, 2-wheel drive. But again, just there's no rust through on that. Yeah, you have some surface rust. You can see it in the bed here. But guess what? It hasn't been painted over, hasn't had a bed liner in it. What you see is what you get, and that's what you're going to see in the pictures. All right, there is a seat cover package that is going to go with this. Directions for installation. Tool and little hog rings to connect the fabric to the bottom of the seat. There is also valve cover gaskets. Looks like we have an exhaust manifold gasket, a couple wiper blades. That will be included in a box inside this truck. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. 325 rear gears, by the way. Again, take a look around these rear wheel wells. And then back down along here, let's check out this cab corner. Look at that again. Just see what you're getting. So keep it the way it is and drive it. Maybe take it to the next level. Have some fun with this one. All right, take a look at the interior. Also remaining very stock. Take a look at the door panels. I do have pictures with the floor mats out, the rubber flooring, everything in good shape on this one. Again, here's a seat. It needs to be obviously reupholstered, and that upholstery will be included with the truck when it's shipped out. Wipers did work for me fine. Blower fan on the heater motor. So for the heater, blower fan works. And radio, I did not get to power up, FYI. All right, let's fire this up. Get it warmed up a little bit. Check out underneath the hood. Alright, there's wipers working, as you can see. And yeah, the passenger side needs a wiper blade. That's why there's wiper blades included also. All gauges work according to previous owner, and it looks like they are indeed working. 45,413 original miles according to previous owner. Alright, I guess I would buy that with the condition of this truck. Closes nicely. Slip around to the back. I mean, that's what you'd expect. 1974 to sound like, with that 360 underneath the hood. All right, I'm gonna slip up to the front of this a second, pause this video. Let's check out the engine bay.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
I'm assuming it's gonna look pretty original underneath here too. There it is. You have power steering. 360 V8, the Y-code original engine that this would have came with, or size-wise believed to be original engine that came with the truck. With the correct size. Like new battery in 2020. It's just a good old solid truck. You're looking to take one to the next level, you know what you're starting with. Want to drive it and have some fun the way it is. Nice patina look. Give us a call. 1970 Ford F100 Ranger. 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.